Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to talk about our family favorites sew along. We are sewing the Brightly Sampler from our Family Favorites book, and this is month 4. This is actually the most low-key, laid-back sew along you might ever participate in, so I just want to let you know that if you haven't started, you still have time. You will just need to grab a copy of the book, and we have just a really simplified way of going about this sew along. We're just doing 2 blocks a month, and they are exactly the same. And you actually repeat, we're actually doing 4 blocks from each of the blocks in the sampler, and so you have 2 months to get 4 blocks done that are all the same pattern. So let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to not only show you my most recent block finishes, but I'm also going to talk about the pillow patterns included in the book. We have 3 large pillows, and we also have 3 small pillows, and they're right at the back of the book, so I thought that this might be a good time to share them. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this month is the 2nd month we are working on the fancy blocks, and it's just a really simple chain block. I love making these. It's such a great filler block for any quilt that you're doing. And I did do 2 red, and I think those are the ones I showed you last month, and then I did 2 green. So keeping with my red and green theme, and I'm using our Raspberry Summer fabrics, which actually are going to be in stores very, very soon. Just next month they are supposed to ship. If you want to see the exact blocks in the quilt in the Laguna Sunrise fabrics with a close-up shot, you can go back and look at our December video. I actually showed close-ups of all of the Laguna Sunrise versions there. So yeah, so I've got 8 blocks now ready to go, and as I mentioned, next month we will be starting a new block, and it is going to be this half square triangle block that you see right over here. So scrappy, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways to make those half square triangle blocks next month. Okay, I also want to show you some of the pillows, because as I mentioned, the pillow instructions are all the way at the back of our book. But I did do 3 larger pillows, and 2 are 18-inch pillows, and 1 is a 16-inch pillow. And so you can see that by taking the blocks from the book, you can pick a favorite and make a pillow. This is one of my favorites. I always get my pillow tops machine quilted, and I also get the pillow backs machine quilted. And I did the zipper. We do have a video that shows you how to do this type of zipper that you can look, and we'll put a link for that. But really had fun making these pillows. They're great to have to go along. Here's the 12-inch pillow. And I did do all the pillows in Laguna Sunrise fabrics, so that is in stores right now. Let's see. And then the last one. So yeah, love, love, love making these pillows, and they're just a great addition if you're making quilts from the books. And you could even pick a different quilt block from the 16 or the 18-inch choices that you have, and you would still have the same exact finishing information. So, okay, and then we also did these little pillows, and I like putting little pillows in a bowl, you know, in groups of 3, or but you could also make them into pin cushions. So, and I think that's kind of how we have them labeled in the book, but I just did simple machine quilting on my own on these. I used scraps for the back from, actually, you know, I had this quilted, and so I had leftover pieces that I used for the back. And I did that with these 2 pillows. This one was also leftover. No, I can tell I quilted this one myself. So anyway, but they're perfect for just little bowl pillows, little decor, or you can make them into pin cushions. If you are going to make them into pin cushions, I would definitely suggest stuffing them with sand or a birdcage filler, the crushed walnut shells that you get at the pet food store. That makes a great pincushion stuffing. So, and you can also find that on Amazon now too, I found out. But anyway, just a couple more options for you if you are sewing along and you're all caught up and you want to work on something else. You know, go ahead and start either one of the large pillows or one of the small pillows. And we will be back again in February for our next block. Okay, so that's it for our January month 4 Family Favorites Sew Along. We hope that you will come back next month. It's always the 4th Thursday, so end of February, and we will be making a brand new block then. And it is a half square triangle based block, so I will have some tips and ideas for you, some different ways that you can use to make those half square triangles so they turn out very accurate. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.